So in this program we will learn to use if conditions. So basically there are three types of if condition: normal if, or you can say simple if, where you can get one output. Then we have if else. In this we have at least two output. If condition or if block is false, then the else block will execute it. So the third one we have else if. In Python we will use elif. So in this we will get at least three outputs. So if the statement is true, if block will execute it. If the if block is false, then pointer will go on to elif, and then that statement or block will also be false, then the else statement will be executed. So hopefully this program will helps you to understand if condition well. So in this you have to follow the indents or spaces, so you will not get the error. Simply click on run or press F5 from your computer to execute your program and to see the output of your program.